Hello, good evening, Olivia. Hi, where are you? I can't see you. Olivia, where are you? Please turn on your video now. Oh, there's mommy. Hello, mommy. Good evening.
Hello, Missy.
Hello, grandma. Grandma or mommy?
Grandma.
Oh, there is grandma. Hello, grandma. Good evening. Can you please help Olivia to turn on her camera? Turn on camera.
Turn on camera.
Yes. Oh, there you are. Nice to see you again. How are you today, Olivia? Wow, you're happy. I'm happy too. Oh, did you eat dinner already?
Yes,
What did you eat?
I eat rice. I eat. I eat.
What did you eat? Eat rice and fish and do you eat? Hello, mommy. Is that mommy or Sese? Do you eat vegetables? Yes. I like to eat vegetables too. Okay, Olivia, let's start to our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Let's learn a lot. Now we are done with this. Listen, trace, and complete. We are now here. Here, listen and circle the sound that begins with the word. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1.
Track 41.
Listen and circle the sound that begins the word. Number 1.
Swim,
Swim.
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 2.
Swim.
Stone,
Stone. Stone. Where is it? Swim. Swim. Okay, again. Let's listen one more time.
Track 41.
Listen and circle the sound that begins the word. Number 1.
Swim,
Swim.
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 Number 2.
Stone,
Stone.
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 Number 3.
S.
Snip,
Stone.
snip.
Stone.
Number 4.
Smoke,
Smoke. Smoke.
Number 5.
stop,
Stop.
stop.
Stop. Stop.
Number 6.
Sweet, sweet.
Sweet. Sweet. Sweet. Sma. This is swa. Sma. What's the answer? Swa. Sweet. Correct. How about this number 2? Stone. Okay, what's the answer? Stone. Okay, this is the answer. Stone. Very good. Now, let's check this. Number 1. What is swimming?
Swimming in a pool.
Kiss mommy. Swimming is like you're doing activity at school or at a pool. Next, stone. What is stone?
Stone is light.
Mhm. Stone is a hard rock formation. Next, sneak. What is this? Number 3, what is this? Yes, neat. Next, number 4. What is number 4? Okay, smoke. What is smoke, Olivia?
Smoke is like the fire under has smoke.
Yes, the fire have a smoke. Correct. How about number 5? What is number 5?
Number 5 is stop.
Stop. What is stop?
Stop is
Mm-hmm.
there has the
Yes, stop. For example, when you are driving in the road, we say stop, stop. How about number 6? What is number 6?
Number 6 is sweet.
Sweet. Yes. What are the examples of sweet?
Sweet is light.
Mm-hmm.
The candy and the honey
Mm-hmm.
and
Chocolate.
and chocolate
Lollipops. Yes,
lollipop
correct.
sweet.
Yes, that are the examples of sweets. Good job. Now, we are done with section B. Let's proceed to the next. We have section C. Listen and circle the picture you hear. Are you ready? Let's listen and circle the picture you hear. Let's play the audio now.
Track 42.
Listen and circle the picture you hear. Number 1.
Sweet. Sweet.
Number 2.
Swan.
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 Number 3.
Stop.
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 Number 3, stop. Okay, let's
Number
listen
4.
first. Olivia, listen and circle the picture you hear. Let's start with number 1. Listen carefully.
Track 42.
Listen and circle the picture you hear. Number 1.
Sweet.
Sweet. Sweet.
Sweet. Where is it, Olivia?
Number 2.
Very
Swan.
good. Swan.
Swan.
Swan. What is swan?
Number 3.
Stop.
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 Number 4.
Smile.
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 Number 5.
Stone.
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 Stone. Stone.
Number 6.
Snip.
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 Snip. Snip. Snip. Snip. Okay, very good. Well done. Let's check your answer. Number 1, what do we have here? What's this?
This
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. How about number 2? Swan. Swan. Number 3. Stop. Stop. Number 4. What is number 4?
Is
What is number 4?
Number
Smile.
Smile.
Smile. Number
Smile.
5. What is number 5?
Number 5 is
Stone. Stone.
the
Number 6. What is number 6? Okay, what do we have here? Snip. Snip. What is snip,
Snip.
Olivia?
Snip. Snip is
Cutting some strings. Cut using scissors. Now we are done. Correct and write the correct word. What do you see in this picture?
like
Okay, this is smile. What is this,
Smile.
Olivia? Smile.
Smile.
What word do we have? This one or this one? Smile. The answer is this
Smile.
word. Now, please write the correct spelling of smile. Smile.
Smile.
Mm-hmm. Okay, S. Let's start here. S.
S.
What is the spelling? M. M. And I. Anything else? I.
L.
L-E. What
L.
word? Smile. How about number 2? What is this number 2? Snip or snow? What is this?
Snow.
Yes, correct. Snow. Can
Snow.
you please circle the word snow? Where is the word snow? Circle the word snow. Very good. Now, please type the correct spelling of snow. S N O W. S N O W. Good job. Now, what do we have here? What is this number 3?
Stone.
Stone. Yes. What is the spelling of stone? Stone or stove? Stone. Correct. Now, please write the correct spelling of stone. What is stone, Olivia? Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Good job. Correct. Now let's have number 4. What do you see in a picture number 4? What is this? Picture number 4. It's
Snow.
swim. Yes. What is the correct spelling? Swan or swim? Which one is the answer? Swan or swim? Yes, swim. What is swim, Olivia?
Swimming in a pool.
Your swimming activity in a pool. Very good. Well done. You have answered it all correctly. Now we are done. Let's move on to wrap up. Let's have this. Write the word in the correct boxes. Let's start with number 1. Okay, what is this?
Number 1.
What's this? Stone. Stone.
Stone.
Now, what letter do we put here? This is the example. Stone. Okay, next. What is number 2? Snip. Snip. Where do you put the snip?
Snip is here.
S. Okay, can you please put the answer? S. N. I. P. That is snip. Snip. Very good. Now, what's this? What's this in the picture?
Smell.
Smell. Correct. That is smell. Can you please put the correct spelling? Smell. Put the answer. S. M. E. Double L. SME double L. Smell. Very good. Oh, what's this? Smell. How do we spell the smell? Okay, let's check. Here. S M E L L. This is smell. How about the next? Snip. This one, what's this? What's this, Olivia? Number 4. What is swan? Yes, it's a swan. Where is the swan? Swan. How about this one? What's this?
Game. It's a game.
This is a stove. Let's put the stove here. Stove. What is stove, Olivia?
Stove is like
It's a burner. There we cook anything we like. That is a stove. I will share you the picture of stove. Please wait. Okay, I will show you the stove. Yes, there we can cook food. We can cook food. We can bake or fry food in a stove. What is this, Olivia?
stove.
Yes, correct. A stove. We cook meat, fish, vegetable in a stove. Okay, that is stove. Now, let's answer. Where do we put the stove? Put the correct spelling of stove.
Stove.
S, S, T, O,
O
V, E. Yes, that is stove. Okay, now what do we have here? The last, what's this?
sweet.
Sweet, yes. Put the correct spelling of sweet. S, S, W, E, E, T. Sweet. What is this?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay, how do we spell sweet? S, W, E, E, T. Sweet.
Sweet.
Very good. Now, let's have read and match. Number 1, a snack is on the stove. Okay, please write the correct spelling first. Sweet, correct. Now, please match the pictures. Number 1, a snack is on the stove. Where
The
is
snack.
it?
Here.
A snack is on the stove. Okay, where is it, Olivia? A snack is on the stove. Okay, there. Oh, what happened? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. A snack is on the stove. Now, the swan swims. What is it? The swan swims. Here, the swan swims. What's the answer, Olivia?
Swan and Anya swim.
Yes, the swan swims. Next, number 3, the man
The man.
smells smoke. The man smells
smells
smoke.
smoke.
Very good. Okay, sorry, Olivia. I just finished this page. Sorry, we can make play games today, but we finished the 25 minutes. We will play next time, okay? Thank you so much for having you in my class. You did great today, Olivia. I just focused that you need to learn these words. Okay, this is your reward. What's this, Olivia? A
Corn.
popcorn. Yes, correct. Now let's have a reward. We can play next time a game. Sorry, we have no much time today. Okay, for you, Olivia, active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing tasks, a good student, helping others on task, participating, persistence, and working hard. Okay, Olivia, that's all for today. Thank you so much. You did great today. You are a good performance. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Olivia.